If you're looking to send automated demo invites using CrankWheel, you're in the right place. Stick with me through this quick guide, and I'll show you exactly how to make the most of CrankWheel's automation features to streamline your demo process. First things first, CrankWheel is a great tool for live, instant screen sharing, and demo scheduling. But did you know you can automate the process? This means you can send invites to potential customers without lifting a finger. Pretty useful, right? Let's jump in. Next thing, set up your automated demo invites. Once you're logged into CrankWheel, navigate to the Settings section and look for the Automated Demo options. Here, you'll want to configure the email templates you'll be using for invites. Customizing these templates will make them personal and engaging for your prospects, so they're more likely to join your demo session. Now, the third thing, you'll want to integrate CrankWheel with your CRM or email marketing tool. CrankWheel integrates well with many of the major platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, and MailChimp. This integration lets you set triggers, like when a lead is added to a specific list or shown interest in your product. Once that happens, CrankWheel can automatically send a demo invite on your behalf. The fourth thing, test your automation. Before relying on it for your campaigns, always run a test to ensure the invite emails are going out correctly, with all the right links, times, and details. This small step ensures you're not sending out incorrect invites that could harm your reputation. Next, let's talk about using CrankWheel for instant access to demos. Unlike some software that requires lengthy setup or manual intervention, CrankWheel enables instant access to your demo directly from the invite link. This can drastically reduce friction and increase conversion rates. And the fifth thing, if you're using CrankWheel for automated demo invites, be mindful of the timing. You don't want to overwhelm your prospects with too many invites or send them at inconvenient times. Make sure your automation respects time zones and uses a thoughtful follow-up strategy. One more thing, if you're finding CrankWheel not quite right for your needs, there are some great alternatives out there that might suit your demo scheduling and automation even better. For example, tools like Calendly or even HubSpot's built-in scheduling features can offer powerful automation and more flexibility in booking and conducting demos. Now, I promised you some exclusive perks, so here it is. Through our link in the description, you'll get access to an extended free trial of CrankWheel, as well as exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Plus, if you're not sold on CrankWheel, we've got some top-notch alternatives that also offer free trials and could better meet your demo automation goals. Check out the link below to get the best deal and exclusive access.